So what today's puzzle has been, the clients have been complaining that their stairs are drooping. So basically these end pieces are loose, as you can see here. I don't know if it's visible. So in order to prevent that, the way that these stairs have been made is there's a little cement stair, and the cement stair has been clad with these Oregon strips. Now obviously over time the Oregon has shrunk and come apart, as can be seen by these joins. But now in order to secure these front strips, I was hoping that I could drill through the bottom there and then into the concrete, but it's right on the edge of the concrete and there's no wood or anything. So basically what I've decided to do is put little strips underneath, jack the strips up. So basically take a little MacGyver like that, get a place for a lever, get it underneath, lever it up with enough force, and then get a screw in there with some glue behind it and run along like that, which has leveled the stairs. In fact, I've given them a slight up bias. Just feels better on the foot. When you walk down a set of stairs, you want the stairs to sort of be encouraging you not to fall down. So that's the idea, with some reclaimed Oregon. And once that's wood docked, it'll bring the color in to match the lot, and then the stairs will have a lot more of a confident feel to them. I don't know if it's that movement's showing up much, but certainly there's a lot of movement there for stairs. So that's what I'm doing today. And then this bottom one's the same situation. But that bottom one's going to be fully clad, so it's just going to be Oregon all the way up. Just ties it all in, makes it all the same color. Pity about this one piece here, comes out lighter for some reason. Same wood, but I think I might just run over that with a bit of Oregon stain. Might just be that the light is shining on it at quite an angle, but it definitely is lighter than the rest, unfortunately. But anyways, the rest tie in quite nicely, and the stairs are now stable. No play.